Hello, my name is Aleena Alkwadri. I'm in the 6th grade and attending Al Huda Islamic School. My project is examining the stress-relieving powers of aromatherapy. Aromatherapy is the practice of using essential oils for therapeutic benefits. The purpose of this project was to find out whether eucalyptus spearmint aromatherapy helps to reduce mild stress level in adults. My question was, can aromatherapy in the form of eucalyptus spearmint oil diffuser and lotion help reduce a person's stress level by reducing the heart rate and blood pressure? My hypothesis was, if a person is subjected to eucalyptus spearmint oil and lotion for a period of 10 minutes, then their stress level will be reduced by lowering their heart rate and blood pressure. My materials were 20 subjects ages 18 and up, a sphygmomanometer, which is a blood pressure machine, eucalyptus spearmint stress relief body lotion, eucalyptus spearmint stress relief oil, an oil warmer or diffuser. My procedure was, subjects were tested one at a time. Subjects were asked to sit down on a comfortable chair for 5 minutes to relax. The subject's heart rate and blood pressure were measured at rest to use as reference. For the experimental group, the subjects were asked to rub eucalyptus spearmint body lotion on their hands and arms. The oil warmer was lit with a few drops of the eucalyptus spearmint oil in the small plate. The subjects were asked to enjoy the aromatherapy for 10 minutes. The subject's heart rate and blood pressure was measured after the aromatherapy. For the controlled group, steps 2 through 5 will be repeated without the introduction of aromatherapy eucalyptus spearmint. A comparison was drafted between the heart rate and blood pressure changes in the experimental and controlled groups. The conclusions were drawn. In the first chart over here, the controlled group, which had no eucalyptus spearmint aromatherapy, the heart rate, systolic blood pressure, and diastolic blood pressure were all measured 5 minutes without aromatherapy, and then 10 minutes without aromatherapy, heart rate, systolic blood pressure, and diastolic blood pressure. In the second chart, the experimental group, which had aromatherapy eucalyptus spearmint, it was measured 5 minutes of relaxing with aromatherapy, heart rate, systolic blood pressure, and diastolic blood pressure, and then 10 minutes with aromatherapy, heart rate, systolic blood pressure, and diastolic blood pressure. In the first graph, the average heart rate, the blue after 5 minutes without aromatherapy, and the red after 10 minutes without aromatherapy. In the second graph, the blue after 5 minutes with aromatherapy, and the red after 10 minutes with aromatherapy. In the conclusion, my hypothesis was supported. For future research, if I were to follow up with this project, I would like to explore different scents and their effects on the human body. I would also like to study prolonged use of aromatherapy.